I
Yeah.
mean, don't you do study? You are only a driver, or you also do study with that?
Like I didn't get your point, brother. I
I'm
didn't
trying
get
to
your point.
say that you must be doing study with the job, with the, with being a driver.
I don't want to study right now anymore. I'm not interested anymore thing.
I
Just
guess no, you must be preparing for UPSC examination, so that's the reason you don't want to listen.
no, 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 no. I am not preparing any UPSC exam. Where are you from basically? You didn't tell me anything about yourself.
I'm actually from Bihar, okay, and recently I
Yeah.
passed out 12th standard, and this year I'm gonna be doing graduation.
Mm.
Most probably I will be doing BTech or not then BSc from mathematics. Like in 12th
Mm.
standard, I was from mathematics stream,
Yeah.
so most probably I can do BSc or not then engineering.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's like that, and I'm from Bihar actually.
Well,
Yeah.
you're from Bihar, but seems like you are from like Basha. I got one call from Bangladesh as well, from the same name. So I was
My name is
assuming
not
you are
Batsa
from.
actually. My name is not
Really?
Batsa.
What's your name then, sir? What's your name?
My name is Naseem Akram. That's not a real name. Batsa is not a real name actually.
Well,
I
I
mean, I
thought
don't
your
like.
name is Badsha. I thought your name was no, your name is Badsha.
No, it's not like that. I mean, I don't like to share my, real name on any platform. So that's the reason I always keep fake name on any platform, like on any app actually. Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's it. I mean,
why? What's the reason that you don't want to disclose your name in the online platform in the social media? What's
like,
the reason
uh,
behind that?
like maybe if I mess up with a person on online platform, he will get my address and he would think of taking revenge of me. So that's the reason I don't ever like to share my,
Oh, come on,
personal information.
come on. People are busy in their own stuff. Nobody are
I
like
know
that
that.
nowadays.
I know that. But today's generation, everyone is so violent. They get violent on little bit of matter. So that's the reason I prefer to hide my privacy, to hide my everything. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, even at this time, I'm not telling you my exact location. I'm telling you I'm residing in Patna, but that's not the perfect location I'm residing.
I It's I'm not interested, brother. I'm here to spread the knowledge only.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't want
exactly.
anybody's personal information. Why would I do that then?
Exactly.
I don't want anybody's
Yeah.
personal information. That's really good that you are hiding your information. This is your right. This is your fundamental right to that you can hide your residence, your name. This is your
Yeah.
fundamental right. Yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, what you do, brother? What you do?
Like I told you that I'm a kind of a student right now. I'm a student right now, but with being a student, sometimes I participate in my father's business.
Yes,
And
yes.
when I'm at my home, then I just engage in my father's business. But when I'm in the city, when I'm out of my state, then I mainly focus on my study.
Yeah. Oh, what's your father's business all about?
Like it's about a tent house, like wedding management and all these sort of things. So it's like that actually.
I really didn't get it.
You know about wedding management and tent house and all this sort of thing. Tent or
Then like a
wedding.
hut, like a hut.
Yeah, like like in India we organize some,
Would you mind? Would
on.
you mind? Would you mind describe me deeply? I'm
Uh,
really interested.
but I would not like this part to be in YouTube actually. But I'm telling
No,
you,
but oh
yeah.
come on, people would learn so many things by this part. People would learn so many things.
No,
We are to
actually,
influence. Like you are influencing the world. You are influencing the Bihari and UP and Bihar people. Like
yeah,
you are the role model for them right now. Come on, think like that.
yeah.
We are
I do
here to
understand,
spread
but
knowledge only.
okay, I'm telling you actually.
Oh come on, come
But
on.
actually, it's not my business. It's my father's business, so that's why I don't want to share about that. But if it would have been
Look,
my business,
it's
I
your
would have.
father's business. This is your heritage. This is your business. This is your heritage almost. After your
Oh no,
father,
it's
this is your
it's not like
heritage.
that. Like I'm not interested in discussing about my father's business. I want to have some other career, and that's the reason I'm
Okay,
doing
come on.
study actually.
Okay, come on. If you don't want to interest your father's business, okay, I want to know only. Let me
Okay, all right.
let me know.
Like in India, on some like grand or auspicious wedding ceremony, we organize like for the events we organize tent house. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so it's like that.
I got. Event management. Event
Yeah,
management.
yeah,
Mandap. We
exactly.
call in Hindi mandap. We call in Gujarati mandap.
Oh, mandap.
Mandap.
Yeah,
Great.
maybe.
It's a good business, brother. It's a good business. It's a
Yes,
really good business. But I think it's affected in during the COVID-19. It's affected the
Yeah,
business.
I mean, like I would say that it was one of the thing that was affected badly. Like
Mm,
I mean, yeah, this sector was in its roast condition. It could ever be before it was in the roast
I
condition
see.
due to
Yes, I
lockdown.
see.
Yeah,
Yes, I
because
see.
like it only happens due to the gatherings, but in the pandemic situation, the gathering was not allowed by the government. Okay, so that's the reason the event was not happening, and so this sector was in its downfall.
I see.
Yeah.
So, what's your plan then? What's your plan? You don't like your father's business. What are you gonna do then?
No, I mean, it's not like I don't like my father business. It's not like that. My father is doing a great business. I want to do something else in my career. Okay, so
Mhm.
it's like that
What do
actually.
you wanna do? What do you wanna do? Let me know,
Like I
please.
told you that perhaps I will be doing BSc from mathematics or engineering. So if I do
Mhm.
engineering, then definitely from that point of view, I will be doing something in my future. Like I don't know what time will show me and what I will get in the future, but I will be working hard to get something best in my life.
Yeah, you're working hard. You're doing a fantastic job. But what if you will not get the chance to get? You will not get chance to a job. What are you gonna do then? Like
Well,
assume
it's
that
not.
if you won't get chance to get a job, if you want to get good job, what are you gonna do then? Do you have any plan
Well,
later on for your future?
if I don't get a good job, I do have experience. I can give the job.
You can give the job, or you can create a
Exactly.
job. You can create a
Exactly.
job.
Yeah, I
Great, great,
can.
great. Yeah, great. If you would
Yeah, I
like to
mean,
share with us, my subscriber, please
no,
share.
what should I say? Like, I do have experience how a person should do business, and that I have learned from my father. So definitely, whatever
Mm-hmm.
sector I choose in the future, I will definitely be a good businessman in the future if I don't get a job. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I mean,
Mm.
I mean,
Would you mind tell me again that look, our brother, I really don't have any idea about the education. Look, I know there's so many things, but you
yeah,
know, BSc in mathematics. Are you doing BSc in mathematics, isn't it?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. In English or English in your or Hindi?
Like in English, I will be doing BSc in English. No,
BSc in
like
English.
like I will choose a mathematics subject, but in English language.
So you will choose or you have chosen already?
No, I am gonna choose. Like
You're gonna
previous year,
choose.
there was a yeah, previous year there was pandemic, so everything was like college and everything was shut down. So that's the reason
Mm-hmm.
I thought if I take admission anywhere, it will be waste of a year. So
Mm-hmm.
regardless of like I tried to prepare for the JEE Mains examination, but unfortunately I couldn't crack it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason I'm trying to do engineering or not then BSc.
I see. Well, I really
Yeah.
don't have that much varied knowledge about this facility, faculties and facilities.
Well, like by talking to, I don't think that you are not educated actually. I mean, I would say that it's actually good education system of your state that even an auto driver can speak English. It's really inspiring.
No, my
Yeah,
brother, anybody can speak English if you have a strong determination toward your goal.
yeah,
If you have,
yeah,
if you will devote your time, if you will
yeah,
devote your time precisely, accurately, then you can achieve whatever you want in a life. It's not big deal. You
yeah.
can achieve
I
anything you
mean,
want in your life.
exactly. I mean, I accept this. I have seen a lot of videos on the YouTube. Even a beggar can speak English. So what about the
Yeah.
host? Everyone can speak.
Yes, yes. Oh, no, it doesn't mean by beggar. It doesn't mean by auto driver.
Yeah, exactly.
Anybody can speak English. It doesn't mean, but
Yeah.
like we
Yeah,
cannot
like after
Mm,
completing my 10th standard education, I visited Mumbai for my education. Okay, so
yeah,
I saw there, like Pani Puri. Pani
yeah,
Puri.
yeah. I know.
So a Pani Puri seller was talking to me in English language. I was shocked, and he was an engineer. He was an
This is
engineer.
yeah. This is India, brother. This is India, and
Yeah,
unexpected thing happen in India. You know.
exactly.
Yes, it's unforeseen sometime.
Yeah, I mean, like he was engineer, so it was shocking. And engineering is selling Pani Puri. Why should I do engineering actually?
Tell me
But yeah,
more,
I
brother.
mean,
Yeah,
like if you want to know about my state,
yeah.
Bihar.
Please, yeah. Please, please.
Like you must have heard a line. I mean, you must have heard a line that never mess up with Bihari. Yeah,
हाँ एक बिहारी सब पे भारी. I heard
yeah.
that
So like
sentence. Ek
Like,
Bihari,
in
sab
terms
Bihari.
of everything, like you will find that most of the Bihari, they're intelligent in mathematics. In terms of IQ, it's really difficult to beat Bihari in terms of IQ actually. Like day and night they are engaged in making mathematics question. Okay, when they have nothing to do, still they have mathematics question to solve. So in terms
Mhm.
of IQ, in terms of solving question, a person can barely beat Bihari, I would say.
Well, what do I say? I really don't have any word. But what's your opinion about the Gujarati people? Do you have any idea about the Gujarati
Yeah,
people?
I
We are
have.
so good
Like
in the business.
in
We are
terms of
fantastic in the
business,
business. Yeah.
in terms of business, I would say that they are king. I mean, they are real bania.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. You are right.
Yeah.
We know how to
They know.
do, how to
I
deal
mean,
with
they know
things,
how to
how to
do
do business.
business, how to
Yeah.
increase business. So yeah, I mean, they are really great in terms of making money. But in terms of
Yes.
IQ, Bihari
Mm.
comes on the top actually. So okay.
So, Mr. Badsha, it's time to move on, sir. Do you like to ask me anything related to English,
Yeah.
brother?
I
You
would
want to
like to
ask me
ask.
anything related? Yeah, come
Yeah,
on,
like
ask me. Please. Come on.
I mean, how did you learn this beautiful accent and beautiful English? Tell me that. I know you will not tell me. It's a secret. I don't. No one shares that actually.
No, no. Why would I? Why should not share with you? Tell me.
I mean, tell me the real reason. Don't say this, that. Tell me the perfect reason you have done.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you. Or I'm kidding. This is by practice, brother. This is I whatever I have today by practice.
Oh,
Whatever the
okay.
knowledge I accumulate today, or gather to accumulate is by practice. All about practice. If you wanted to be like, don't I really don't believe in accent. This is my natural accent. I didn't pretend to be an
No,
American accent. I didn't pretend to be a
actually,
British accent.
I don't think it's a natural accent. One day I was talking to you in the morning, you were sleeping, and at that time I got your real accent, and that was entirely different. So don't lie. Actually, it's not your real accent. You have been learning American accent. I would say that. Like
No.
I mean,
Well,
you won't believe it. When the first time when I talked to you on the calling, you were sleeping early in the morning. I was shocked. Is it the same person whose video I saw on the YouTube? He was having different accent, and right now he's having different accent. I was really shocked. Then I asked you this question. Then you told me, brother, right now I'm sleeping, so this is my accent actually. So I know a lot of accent. You told me that. You don't remember it actually, but I remember it.
I'll tell you one thing that during like I was sleeping and you called me abruptly. Abruptly you called me and then how could I answer you? How can I answer you? You tell
Yeah,
me.
but I mean, that's a time when a person comes to know about the real voice and real accent, actually.
Well,
That's the perfect time.
I don't think so, brother. I really don't think so. Because I was sleeping at that moment and you called me 6 a.m. in the morning, you know. So
Yeah,
I
you
was
remember it.
not in my sense. I was not in my sense that moment.
Uh,
But at the
uh,
end, we are Indian. At the end, we are Indian. This is our normal accent. This
yeah,
is we are normal people.
you must be surprised to know that India stands on the rank two in terms of English-speaking population. Yeah,
Yeah.
and Indian accent is the second most spoken accent in the world.
Yes,
So,
I see.
rather than copying the accent of America, we should try to spread our accent across the world.
Yes, yes. Well, I don't believe in accent. I just believe in that
Yeah.
if you are learning English, just convey your message to other people exactly,
Yeah.
accurately. That's it. What I'm saying over here.
But yeah, I mean, what's bad if we have knowledge about all accent, if we can speak all accent? It's like a Sumepe Suhaga. So it
Well,
will be more better if we know.
yeah. But, sir, different people, different
Yeah.
mentality, different opinion. People have
Yeah.
different intellectual. Like you have different intellectual. You have different mindset. My mindset is different. We are not similar.
Yeah.
In terms of language, we are similar, but we have different mindsets, sir.
Yeah. Everyone has different mindset. Like, yeah, I mean, it depends on their condition. It depends on their matter of choice, what sort of thinking they give with themselves.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Well, I agree with you.
So
I utterly convinced with you, sir.
yeah, I mean, in terms of accent, I truly believe that everyone should have the best version of their accent. Like whatever
Mhm.
accent you're having from the nature, you should try to have best version of that accent. rather than copying some other accent like
Yes.
American or any other accent. Like if you will
So
speak best version of your accent can be much better than American or British accent. If you
so
speak best version.
am I pretending American or British?
Well, I like your accent. I don't know what it is actually, but I like your accent.
But
So,
it's totally unique. It's totally different. I'm not pretending to be a
but
American
I can
or
say
British.
I
Yeah.
can say it's a mix up of Indian or American or British accent as well. Yeah, like it's a mix up of every accent. So that's the reason it is little unique. Yeah.
Well, what should I say? I just say thank you, and it's thank you very much.